Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Beoplay E8 earbuds. First, ensure both earbuds are fully charged and placed securely in their charging case. Then, simply open the case lid to automatically activate their pairing mode. This prepares them for a seamless connection with your preferred device. It's a quick and easy first step to enjoying your audio. Once your Beoplay E8 are in pairing mode, navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone or tablet. Look for Beoplay E8 in the list of available devices and tap to select it. Your device might ask for a pairing confirmation. Simply accept to establish the connection. The earbuds remember up to 8 paired connections. For an enhanced experience, download the free Bang & Olufsen app. It guides you through product setup and allows for personalization. Once installed, open the app and follow the intuitive on-screen instructions to connect your E8 earbuds. You can then customize sound profiles, access listening modes, and easily update your earbuds software for optimal performance. If you encounter connection issues, try resetting your Beoplay E8 earbuds. Place both earbuds in the charging case, then press and hold their touch areas simultaneously for 10 seconds until the right earbud flashes red. You should also forget the Beoplay E8 from your device's Bluetooth settings before attempting to repair. And speaking of fresh, staying hydrated is key. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.